Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the stream here with my Dividends channel. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I have a bunch of money sitting in my high yield savings, but I moved some over. So I have $12,000 sitting in 5% growing, and got my dividends. All right, we're checking out my portfolio here. We're up $142. Let's go. My ETFs are growing here as well. Why does this keep happening? Anybody there? So I am looking at different possibilities of investing. I have $11,000 I can put into investments today. Gonna check out my portfolio here. You guys can check it out with me. I have the Vanguard ETF VIG. This is my favorite investment vehicle right now, but I do have some SCHD that I really like as well. And I think I'm gonna go back to my holdings. So this is what I have so far. Hey Vivian, welcome to my new dividends channel here. Thank you for the likes, guys. I got 1 like and 3 viewers. Cool. Welcome to the channel. And this is my biggest holding so far with 46 shares, and I have 181 price, which is not the best compared to where it was a few months ago, but that's fine. I'm just going to keep adding to all of this. I don't plan on really ever selling anything. And I have Wisdom Tree, and I bought some high volatility ETF tracker where it is a higher yield, which at the moment I am down just 87 cents. No big deal. Just testing it out. Got $1,000 in that. $500 in my Chevron and Wisdom Tree as well for the small. Got the mid caps and small. Got 305 here. So maybe I will add some SCHD is what I've been planning on doing. And we could do that. What do you guys have invested in? I've only made $1 in dividends so far. You can see this is my beginning of this dividend journey. I do have a 401k portfolio as well and a Roth IRA, but this is just something for learning how to do dividends, showcasing and sharing my journey, and growing this bad boy to 6 figures, hopefully by the end of the year with some prop payouts. I'm using prop firms to give me the leverage to build up the portfolio. Okay. And you can see here, look at my equity. It just keeps going up because I keep getting more prop firm payouts. And then I just throw it in here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go to my other channel, Trading with Travis. I am a day trader who scalps mainly the futures market for prop firm payouts. And each month I've been getting payouts. So this is what I'm doing is I have 37,000 in this portfolio at the moment. And yeah, we're doing good. But I need to invest. As you can see, I have $10,000, $11,000 actually, that I need to put into my dividends portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and do some transactions here. Let me look at my holdings, my activity, portfolio. Here's my portfolio. I have it, my pies, M1 Finance, if you don't know, it has what is called pies, and then each pie is a percentage of your overall pie. It has slices. So this ETF is for SCHD, and I plan on putting some more in here. I plan on doing this every day. So we're gonna buy, let's go ahead and put, I really would like to build up a nice portfolio with a lot of SCHD. So we're gonna put 2,000 in today. Confirm the buy. All right, we're gonna start doing some dollar cost averaging. All right, every time I come on here and I decide where I want to park some money into these investment vehicles, which are just gonna grow and compound over the long haul. Like Albert Einstein has said, you know this, you might have heard this before. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world, basically, and those who know it make money from it, and those who don't pay it. Okay, so what is better for the short term is usually not as good for the long term. So high yield traps, going for the quick dividend payouts, the bigger payouts, usually have companies, and they are tracking the value of the underlying vehicle is usually a lot lower. But the ones that have the lower yield and have a higher growth rate over a longer period of time of 3, 5, 10 years, 25 years, dividend aristocrats are companies that have been increasing their dividends for 25 years or more. And dividend kings have been increasing their dividends payout for 50 years or more. So companies like Johnson & Johnson and Walgreens was one. I think they just cut some of their dividends. All right, so we go on here on Seeking Alpha. This is the website that I use, which is very popular for dividends. Okay, so most people you will hear say, get your prop firm payouts and put it all into your personal futures account. I do have a personal futures account, but I prefer to park my money into investments that will keep growing over the long haul, where I don't really have to keep looking at my portfolio day and night and stressing, wondering what's happening. Do I need to sell out, panic in and out, right? So I do plan on having some more high yield, and I will test the waters with that, but I'm not going to just throw tons and tons of money into it. Hey, Nico and Merritt, thanks for hanging out. Nico, I remember you said you have some, was it Jeppy or JepQ? Or was it both of them? I know Jeppy is JP Morgan from what I remember, and that is a more of an income base, right? I'm thinking about getting some Jeppy too, actually. And SVOL, we had a gentleman in here who said he put, I think it was his whole portfolio in SVOL, and I just test the waters out with them. So let's look at my portfolio that I have here: VIG, SCHD, and I don't know why I have Apple here. Let's take that off. Yeah, we'll delete Apple. We can look at the dividends and the holding, the ratings, L score. The ratings are good. See, I like VIG a lot. It's got A's all across the board. SCHD, the momentum is kind of slowed down a bit. So like if you want to look here, you can see the charting, and we can do some kind of comparison. And here's my two ones that I have, and both of them are trending up, and that's what I like. Turkish bonds interest rates. Okay, thanks for suggesting. Are you in Turkey? All right, we got 15 people in here and 13 likes. Wow, that's great. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. And I'm not trying to pretend I'm some dividend mastermind. I know everything about dividends. I really don't. I've been reading books, and I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I have invested in dividends a little bit in the past, but not much. But I have my swing trading stock portfolio, which is separate from this. And I have my TD Ameritrade, which I do some day trading and some swings. And this is just going to be solely for dividends. Hey, Amelia, thank you. Greetings from Istanbul. Nice. Alright guys, so here is the charting, and everything is basically up. Now here's what I'm wondering. I think the elections might cause a ruckus, as it usually does, and I think I heard somewhere that Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, I think, are also taking a bunch of money out of their portfolio and leaving it parked into, high yield savings while they're waiting until after the election. I think this is a typical thing that big money likes to do. And I plan on doing some of this too, but I also plan on just making a bunch of prop firm payouts around that time and just keep adding to it. So I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging. All right, so yeah, this is let's look at some top ETFs. So some of these I haven't really done any research on. So I need to start doing my own due diligence and looking at some stuff and looking at a very balanced portfolio. I do believe in having income based as well as a growth portfolio. So I'm thinking I'm going to have it like 70% growth and maybe 30% I will tinker around with the high yield. Maybe they do have it. I don't know either. AT&T, is that what you're talking about? All right, so let's look back on the markets here. I am curious, even though this is my dividends channel, I got to keep looking. And price is this is why I'm glad I stopped trading for the day. It's just murky. Go nowhere, sideways, choppy. And those who are tuning in who know I'm here for my dividends, I'm also a day trader. And I use Topstep and take Profit Trader and Apex Funded Trader. And here's my Topstep. We've made 400. We might get I was supposed to take a payout on this last night, guys. But I got a little greedy this morning in the pre-market. And I got beat up a few times, so we got to be careful to get this back. Don't want to go revenging that back. All right. All right, so we just bought some SCHD. I put in some money here. We can see my activity. And I just put in another deposit this morning, guys, for $8,000. So my SCHD portfolio is now going to have, see what happens is they won't invest until the next morning, right? Let's go back to the portfolio and you can see it's supposed to show pending trade. So here it is, $2,000 that I'm putting into SCHD for tomorrow. So this is what I'm doing with my prop payouts, guys. We're going to build this up. My goal is to get it to 100K by the end of the year. And that's after paying my taxes, guys. So every time I get a payout, just look out for me trying to throw. I don't know why this had a dip here. I think it's because I moved some money from one place to another, but why is there a dip there? I didn't take any money out. This is probably incorrect here. I wonder what will happen if I move some more money. So I have so I can move margin loan. I don't want to do that. What is this? I'll never do this, guys. I will never take a loan out. Okay, so I have 12,000 in the joint cash that I can move over. All right, we'll move. Oops, wrong one. No, don't want to do that. All right, we got some Houston storms coming our way. We're supposed to get 6 inches of rain. Currently, yes, I'm holding VIG and SCHD, and my plan is to keep building that up. All right, so we're gonna move from here to here. I like to leave a little bit in the high yield savings. So we're going to move, just move 7,000. All right, it's going to do this weird thing where it bumps up my net worth, but it's not really $7,000 more. See, look, it says 44,000 now. Yeah, we're supposed to get a lot of rain today. So yeah, I'm holding VIG and SCHD. And the plan is to have a portfolio built mostly around those two. And I'm thinking about adding maybe some DGRO or DGRW. And you guys can come with me and look at some of these other ETFs. I like a lot of the Vanguard, and this is very popular in the high yield community. Option income strategy. Let's look at this. So it has a strong buy. Momentum is very strong. The expense is terrible. Dividend is great. The risk is terrible, but the high yield is very appealing. So you can see here, the yield is up. Expense ratio, I don't know. Maybe I should I do it? Test the waters. I've been thinking about it, but I don't know if I'm going to. What do you guys have? Anybody here in the dividend community? Are you thinking about it? You're not sure? You have a bunch of high yield, or do you have mostly high growth? Do you have a balanced portfolio? That's what I plan on doing. Have a well-rounded portfolio. I do like VGT as well. Has the Vanguard name. Expense ratio is very low. That's very nice. Get to keep more money in your pocket. And it is nicely trending up. Strong buy. The risk is FDVV. Let me check it out. Hey, this looks pretty good. Hey, thanks for the call out here. I have to do some more research on this. This is why I wanted to have a community too, so we can hang out and kind of bounce some ideas off each other, you know? And I'm not one of those. I've noticed that a lot of people in the dividend community, they're all about, it's kind of like the day trading community as well. They go around destroying everybody's ideology on how they trade, how they invest. It's the same thing. It's so toxic. I don't really care whether anybody wants to have high yield or high growth or a balanced approach. Yeah, this is the ETF. I think most of my portfolio is going to be probably 70-80% ETFs. The charting here. Why is it not adding it? Oh, it is. Never mind. Right here. I don't know why I didn't see it. So S&P 500. It's right there neck and neck. So the dividend 5-year CAGR is pretty good. And the yield is also pretty good. I actually like this one. All right, so I did put 2,000 in my SCHD. I am going to pick some more dividends to invest in. I just need to do some more research. All right, we have 17 people in here and 17 likes. That's badass. Okay, guys. You know what? Let's go ahead and do a giveaway for the Dividend channel here. Those who hang out and gave me all likes, that is so awesome. Let me see if it will work. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway. Don't have any giveaways. It's going to say TWT, even though this is DWT, and that's fine with me. Alright, so different channel, but let's go ahead and usually there's a way to go over here and I don't know why it's saying this. Okay, I don't know why, but we paid Jeffrey from the last one. We're gonna do we're gonna do the giveaway now. 35 bucks. Everything's the same. Checking out. All right, here we go. Let's see if it works. Okay, guys. This channel's new, so I don't see why we can't do a giveaway. Let's get it kicked off here. You have to have PayPal though, by the way. All right, I'm gonna come back and look at my portfolio here. I'm still learning how to use this platform too, by the way. All right, so here we go. As you can see, I have my buying power now, 16,000. Woohoo! Hooray for prop firm payouts. Gonna try to get this to 100K by the end of the year. All right, so I got my SCHD buy, and I'm gonna buy one more thing here. Let me think about what I want to buy. I think I'm going to add some more money to Chevron. Let's go. I do like Chevron a lot, so we're going to add 1,500. Confirm buy. It's got the dip, so we're buying the dip, as you can see. I think Chevron's going to be around for a long time. Innovative company as well. And they're trying to work on new energy renewables and new forms of energy as well, so I feel confident with Chevron. I need to do some more. This picking dividend stuff for the long haul is kind of hard, so I don't want to just go in like I can on my it's not the exact same, it's not even close to like scalping the futures market where I can be like, okay, we can either go up or down, and as long as I manage it, I'll be okay. I'm really trying to pick it and not manage it, you know. I want to pick stuff that's going to be around for a long haul, and then maybe tinker around with some high yield stuff. I think for the most part, yeah, we're just going to stick with the tried and true companies. All right, let's go back to activity. All right, portfolio and my holdings. All right, so I added to Chevron. We'll save some more purchases for another stream. Okay, I don't need to just be taking my whole $14,000 and just buying it all up right now. It's okay if it sits there. We can wait. Probably do a purchase every day or every other day. So probably come back here. I don't know if the market will be open tomorrow, but we can definitely come back here at least. All right, so we have 6 minutes left. All right, let's look on the charts here on the NQ to see what's going on. Ugly price action. I'm gonna try not to take any trades when I'm on the dividend channel because I've already got it in my mind that I'm done trading for the day, unless something really stands out and it looks really good. Hey, we got 21 users here with some on the new channel here. Thanks, guys, and thanks for the likes too. Appreciate you. You guys are awesome. If I get to 100K on my dividend channel by the end of the year, that will be awesome. I think I could probably do it before the end of the year, especially if I get some more of those 25K payouts from Apex or 30 or 40K. I haven't had a 40K. I've had a 26K. If I get a couple more of those, we can hit that beautiful six-figure number in a few months, maybe. We're almost halfway there. If you guys are curious, you just tuning in. Oh, the market is shooting up above that 20,200. Here we go, NASDAQ. The murder bot has already kicked in, and it's been nothing but up since then. Did you guys catch that pump up? Did you play the murder bot? I know a lot of you, or probably most of you, are day traders. I don't think, is there anybody here in the dividend stream here that is not from the Trading with Travis channel? Or is everybody from the TWT channel? Anybody find me in the YouTube algos and they're like, "Whoa, what is this dividend stream?" Let me hang out here. No murder bot trading today, Amelia? I thought about it, but I don't know what it is. Lately, when I have an account that's red, like this account, it's down 2,100. I just can't seem to find the winning trade lately, so I'm trying to be extra patient. I do want to try it one more time, though. Try it one more time. Let's see here. I just don't feel it. I thought about it. I'm changing my mind. Okay. Going back to the portfolio here. The quiet stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and we got 3 minutes left on the channel giveaway. Yeah. Hey, you ain't joking there, Kurt. I tell it like it is. I still can't believe people don't believe that there's any probabilities and there's no randomness in trading. And you stare at the NASDAQ all day and you can't believe you don't believe that there's any randomness in the market. Come on. Come on. Are we trading the same instrument here? All right, 3 minutes left. I think we got all the people here. We don't need to wait 3 more minutes because I don't think anybody else is here. So we're going to go ahead and close the entries in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and our first giveaway on the Dividend with Travis channel. The winner is going to be... Josie, did you really miss the bus there by a few seconds? I feel bad now. Should I let Josie in on the raffle? She's just a few seconds here. You know what? We're going to resume entries for Josie. Go ahead. Try one more time, Josie. You just popped in the last few seconds. We're going to let you in, though. Try again. Josie, are you from the Trading with Travis channel, or did you just find this Dividends with Travis channel? All right, we got 2 more people in here. Minsky's in here. Okay. We're going to leave it up for another few minutes here. You're from the other channel? They're both from Travis. Trading with Travis, Dividends with Travis. They're both Travis. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to close it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You serious, Power? We're going to let you come back in. Come on. I'll just let it finish up to 1 minute, 45 seconds. Jeez. Here it is. Right here. This is the timer. Since more people keep coming in. That's it. The Streamlabs bot has gone loco here. You can no longer enter. Hey, go ahead and enter. No, I didn't, Kurt. I try to catch all the comments in the stream, but I miss a lot. That's good stuff, though. Glad you caught that nice runner. "48 seconds. We got 25 users, 27 in the stream, so maybe the other two will want to join. I don't know. It's part of the game, that's right. Once you can get numb to the losses and not get too excited about the winners, then you have a really good chance of making it and making money. And then once those emotions are numb, then it just gets easier. Never can have it completely numb, that's for sure. But you can definitely recognize when you start to go a little tilty. All right, we got 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1. Here we go. Here's the winner. You can no longer enter. The winner is our first winner in the DWT. Marcin S. Congratulations. Hey, you're a late entry too. Congratulations, and thanks for everyone for participating. You'll have another chance later. Go to my website, tradingwithtravis.com. Scroll down to the bottom where it says live chat. Click on that. Send me a your PayPal email and your 3-digit code. Come back here, give me the same 3-digit code to confirm it's you, and then I will send you the PayPal subscriber Dividends with Travis payout winner. All right. All right, guys, so this concludes my day for investing. We got some prop payouts locked in from Take Profit Trader. We got the 3,000. We got 985 that I can take out tomorrow. Anything above 3,000 is the buffer. We got that locked in. And if you're interested in getting a Take Profit Trader account, you can use my code in the description. 6-figure, Topstep, got a link in there. I also have a link for the M1 Finance platform if you want to check it out. I think you can even do demo investing. So they do have a demo account you can practice with. It's cool stuff. All right, I'm going to go check for your message there on my website and look to send you that money. So let me go there real quick. And let's see. All right, Marcin, just go to my website and send me that message whenever you can. Okay, it's in the bottom right corner. I don't think you even have to scroll down. It's just right there in the bottom right corner. Let me see if I can pull it up and show you here. right here. Let's chat. You see down here? Next to my Dougie? Click on this, give me your PayPal email and 3-digit code. Come back to the stream. Give me whatever 3 numbers you want to come up with. And there, I see your message now. Okay, give me a 3 digits code that you make up, any 3 numbers, and your PayPal email. Interesting code there. All right. He gave me his code, 666, y'all. All right, let's do it. Thanks for confirming your 666 code. I feel like I'm going to have to go do a rosary. All right. The money has been sent, Marcin. Congratulations again. Thanks for being my first winner on the Dividends with Travis channel. It was fun. All right, thanks for hanging out too, guys. Which prop firm do I use? I use Apex, Topstep, and Take Profit Trader. Those are my 3 favorite. You can check out my website that I was just showcasing here if you want to see all the pros and cons of my favorite stuff on the website. Where did it go? I lost the website. Oh, here it is. So if you come to here, you can see I got little pros and cons and reviews on all of them. Right? See all my favorite good stuff and bad stuff about them. I need to update a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty up to date. All right, Amelia, you have a great one, and I'm going to hit the road too. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Always fun. I'll be back Thursday. And for those who tune in late, this is my dividend portfolio. We're going to try to get it to 100K by the end of the year using prop firm payouts and doing this dividend journey here on the Dividends with Travis channel. All right, have a good one. Bye.